I'm gonna be like doing these really cool voices. Yeah, which I just did one. Yeah. So, and then I'm gonna do a couple more. So, post down below, like, comment, and whatever. Subscribe, and yeah. Okay, hope you like it, and if you think it was funny, just comment down below. And yeah, so I'm sometimes weird, yeah. A lot of my friends say that. So